And we live. What's up, Shadow Twerkers? It's Simone, and I'm back with another bi-weekly video. So this video is going to be for Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising. Cancer. Hey, Cancer. What's up? This is my soft voice. Let me stop. Hey, Cancer. How you? How you doing? How you feeling? If you're new to the channel, my name is Simone, and here we're creating tarot videos, affirmation videos, meditation music. So if you're interested in any of those things, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. All right, so let's get right into it. Let's see what's up for the next 2 weeks for my Cancers, Sun, Moon, and Rising. Oh, damn. We got at night. Okay, first card out, at night. No, not heartbroken, at the bottom of the deck. Rebuked. Okay, business trip. The second card out, at night, business trip. And oh, chemistry. And then decades. I'm sorry, that caught my attention. This decades at the bottom of the deck. So I feel like it's been a long time since you did something, or a long time since you felt something, a long time since you went somewhere, been with someone, heard something. Like something has been a long time. Wow, and then overnight success after that? It's been a long time since you've done something, or you've seen someone, or you've gone somewhere, right? And something significant is happening at night, so you may be thinking about this at night. This chemistry, or this feeling, this passion, this connection. You may be considering going somewhere. Now, if you're going to cross, please hurry up and cross. Because he's just standing here looking so distracting. Sir. At night. Why is at night here for Cancer? Sun, Moon, Rising. You have the Ace of Wands. So you're doing something.